My name is Kit Lee, and I'm the CFO for the company. Well, right now we're in LIC. As you can hear from the background, it's our day-to-day activity. Like back in the 80s when I first started doing this, it was the Wild Wild West. Now it's kind of a science. There's certain things, material, procedures, equipment has all changed now. It's a real industry. It's not a job anymore. For many people, this could be a career. Yes, we move art, but every day is different. Different medium, is it created, is it not created, how we pack it, how is it being shipped. So it's not, we don't make widgets. Not to quote Belichick, just do your job. And we do it very well, in my opinion. Whatever the client needs, we'll figure it out. Our level of service has to be the same, whether it's a museum or a private residence. It makes no difference. We have to have that level because we gotta take pride in our work. If you don't, then you are in the wrong company. Maybe some other company will do that. Don't know. Don't care. At the end of the day, when you connect all the dots, pick up here, consolidate here, deliver there, and you have a happy customer, it's fun. It's fun.